Change wireless SSID and password in your TP-Link router. First, open your browser, type 192.168.0.1. Your login page open. Put your password and click on next. Your configuration page is open. Now click on wireless option. Wireless setting page open. Go to wireless security page. Wireless security page is open. Put your wireless SSID and password. Now scroll down and click on save button to save your configuration. Your configuration is complete. Friends, if you want to change your SSID and password through Wi-Fi, first your router connect with mobile and open your browser. Then type 192.168.0.1 and log in your router and change SSID and password. Thank you to watch my video.